welcome friends, welcome once again to the web classes. In the previous lecture, we understood about the simple future tense. Today what we are going to learn is the future continuous tense, right? The future continuous tense. Moving further, first of all we need to understand that how we can use the future continuous tense, right? The future continuous tense, sometimes also referred as to the future progressive tense, is a verb tense that indicates that something will occur in the future and continue for an expected length of time. What does that mean? That means you are only going to use verbs that are action, right? Those are action verbs. And then what you are going to do, you will have a particular action that will continue for an expected length of time, right? It will not automatically end up whenever it gets started, right, within a second. It is formed using the construction will plus be plus the present participle, right? So will, then be, then v1 plus ing, right? Let's suppose you have a meeting tomorrow at 5 o'clock, right? This will give you a clear idea that how you can use the future continuous tense. Let's suppose you have a meeting tomorrow at 5 o'clock. So how you gonna tell it that you have a meeting? At 5 o'clock, I will be meeting with the management about my raise. What you have said here, I will be meeting with the management about my raise. So what does this meeting means? This means the meeting will start at a particular point, it will go for a length of duration, and then it will end in a particular time. So before now, right, from now to the future, right, you are going to have a particular meeting that is going to be held for a particular duration of time, right? So you are not going to end up like this, that you have started here and then you ended just within a second, right? Just like Michael will be running marathon this Saturday. What does that mean? He is going to run the marathon for a few minutes, we can say, or a few hours as well, right? Next, Eric will be competing against Michael in the race. So Eric is also going to race with the Michael. Eric is also going to run with the Michael. I will be watching Michael and Eric race. What you are going to do is the watching Michael and Eric's race, right? Moving further, next, the particular difference between simple future and future continuous tense. You are going to often have confusions that where to use the simple future and where to use future continuous. Let's suppose you have a meeting tomorrow at 5 o'clock, that you say that I will be meeting with my management for my raise, right? So you used their meeting as an action verb. But if you are going to say about your arrival, right, what will you say? I will arrive at 5 o'clock. And this is what? This is simple future, right? Suppose if you are going to say like another thing, that I will be arriving, what does that mean? So simple future tense is a verb tense that is used when action is expected to occur in the future and be completed within a second, just in a second, right? But if you are saying about your meeting, you say that I will be meeting with the management about my raise. Will be meeting is the future continuous tense of the verb meet, right? Where you are using the meet as a future continuous verb. Will be the present participle. Meeting indicates that the meeting isn't going to happen for an instant, all at once. It will have a particular duration. Now, it will have a duration, right? And it will also the construction will also indicate the future continuous tense, right? Moving further, for action verbs only, this future continuous is for action verbs only. It is important to note that the future continuous tense is only used with action verbs, and because it is possible to do them for a duration, right? If we are going to start something here, that is now, which is present, and if you are going to end it in the future, then what will you use? This it will be the future continuous tense, right? Action verbs describe activities like running, thinking, seeing, those activities which have a particular duration. Stative verbs like existence, being, seeming, and knowing are only can be used in simple future tense, right? Those only can be used in simple future tense. To use the will be plus present participle construction with a static verb would sound very odd indeed, right? If you are saying, right, just like if you said will be existing, right? So this is going to sound odd. Why? Because exist is a verb which is not action, right? It is not an action verb, so you cannot use it in future continuous. You will have to only use it in simple future. Moving further, we need to understand the relative examples for this, right? Just like I will be being stretched tomorrow during my science test. Just check this, right? I will be and then being, right? This so first of all, these two words cannot be used together, and if we are going for future continuous tense, being is not an action verb, right? So it cannot be used. So on the instead of that, what can you use is I will be stressed tomorrow. So what is this? I will be stressed. It is simple future, right? In the passive voice. Again, when the sun comes out tomorrow, winter will be seeming like a distant memory. See, here I have used what? Seeming, which is completely wrong. Why? Because seeming is a word which cannot be used in the future continuous. It can only be used in simple future. Just like this, when the sun comes out tomorrow, winter will seem like a distant memory. It should only be used like will seem, right? Again, after I study, I will be knowing all the answers for the test. Knowing is a particular verb which is not action verb, right? And that cannot be used in future continuous. You will have to only use it in simple future, just like this. After I study, I will know all the answer for the test. So know is a word which is started here and ended here. For within a second we can say, right? So this is all for today. I hope you have understood all this. Thank you so much. Thank you for listening to me. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you.